Hey guys, this is the Cuber part of Magic Cubers, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Skewb. Okay, so it is now scrambled. I just hand scrambled it. So I'm just going to get right into it. The first step is find all these corners around the white center, or whatever center you want, if you're color neutral. But for this, I'm going to do the white center. So here's a corner. This is what you want. You want it to be able to not facing up like that one, so that you can just turn it in and it will be down here. So how you can tell is this will turn down, and it's going to be, it has to be facing opposite to where it needs to go. And so now this one is turned down, and see, it's green and green, so we know that these two are going to be in the right place. And now this one, we can just do that again, but this is this is the only other case that you can really get. Actually, there's one other one I'll show you, and it's when it's facing up. And what you can do here is you turn it like that. But you see, if I turn it down here, then it will just be facing, it will not be twisted the right way. So what you do is you hold it like this, and you see the white's facing that way. So you have to turn it that way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn this that way, so that when you turn it down, it will connect like that. But you see that you messed up this one, but this one can be easily fixed by twisting it down again. And that's really all that you need to know to solve the white side. And now there's only one algorithm in this entire method, and this algorithm, it switches these two centers and these two centers. So, and it also does something to the corners up here, but that's not really, you don't really need to know that, but mainly because I don't know it. So what we need to do is find the center on top and match it up with the corners on the bottom. So you see this algorithm, it switches these two. So you're going to hold it like this, because blue and blue, and you're going to do R prime, L, R, L prime. Now you have to remember that you have to change your grip, because when I was doing it, I would like not understand the notation, and I would do the algorithm wrong. So you have to remember that it's always going to be this corner for R and this corner for L. So you just have to remember that. And this is the next one. And how I can remember this algorithm is you do R prime, and that connects these two oranges, and then you put that orange out of the way with the L, and then you do the R and put this corner back, and then an L prime to put the corner back again, and that just puts this center where it needs to go. And now this is the case where you want it to be, so these two need to be switched, and these two need to be switched. So you can see that this is going to be the last step until the top layer. So what we're going to do is the algorithm R prime, L, R, L prime. So here's another case for the centers. It's when the centers are wrong, but the yellow is already up here. So what you just do here is you just do the algorithm in a random spot. It doesn't really matter, and it just brings it back up. Okay, so this is the place where this is the case where there's going to be the most times that you need to use the algorithm. It is going to be the same exact algorithm as the center swapping. So in this case, there are two of them solved, and one of them is going to be in the front right facing to the right, and the other one's going to be in the back facing back, or back left facing back. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to do the algorithm twice. So you're going to do R prime, L, R, L prime, R prime, and you see that now all you need to do is switch these. R prime, L, R, L prime. And now this is the case where you want to, this is the last case. It's where there's two corners facing opposite and two headlights right here. So what you need to do is just do that same algorithm again twice. So R prime, L, R, L prime. And then again, R prime, L, R, L prime. And those are the two only cases that you need to know. Yeah, let me just show you a few tips on how to turn this thing. So with the algorithm, what I do is I hold it so that these two are right here, and then my index finger is up here. So my thumb, my middle, and my index. And I hold it like this. So I take it, I do the R prime with like the white on my left. R prime, and then I push, and then I grab up with my thumb, and then I push back. And then I just re-grip, and then I do it again. And you see, it's very fast, and yeah. Also, I would recommend getting this Skewb, the cheese Skewb. It's a very good one. I've heard it's the best one out there, but I only have this one cheese Skewb, and I really like it. So, yeah, I hope that was a quick and easy tutorial for you. I tried to do it in under 8 minutes, and I think that I succeeded with that. So, I will see you next week. Bye.